Hi guys, Nexi here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you something really special. Check out this awesome cabinet for ultra short throw laser projectors. This thing is so cool and I cannot wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. Welcome back guys, and thanks for tuning in. This is automatic cabinet for ultra short throw laser projectors. This cabinet comes with an integrated UST Ambient light projector screen that rises up and folds down together with a projector platform that slides in and out from this cabinet. The size of the screen in this cabinet is 120 inch and it can be all up to 135 inches. This cabinet that I have is a prototype from the company named GZ Screen, which plan is to produce and customize this kind of cabinets for the customers around the world. I choose my cabinet to be white matte color, but you can choose other colors as well, together with a few different styles and designs. Now before we dive deeper into this unique cabinet, let's talk about unboxing first. This cabinet comes in a huge 3-meter long wood crate, which weighs almost 200 kilograms, or 440 pounds, which is by far the largest and the heaviest package that I ever unboxed. Since this room is in a basement with a curved stairs, the only option was to bring the cabinet through the window. Only problem is, this window is far away from the garage and it's a very tight fit. For easier handling such a huge and heavy package, I installed the wheels on each corner to be able to move the crate much easier. Despite the cold winter weather and the snow, with the help of my friends and neighbors, we successfully bring the package through the window inside the house. Touchdown! Nice work guys, you the best. Now since the package was inside the room, where it's nice and warm, I took some delicate fine unboxing tools and I start gently with the unboxing. First I remove all the screws and then I start to take down the package side piece by piece. There was a lot of nails in the package sides, but it was not hard to remove it. When I remove the top, front and back side of the crate, the long sides just fall down. Then I remove all foam pieces and the cloth cover from the cabinet. The next thing was how to bring the cabinet to the floor. Luckily, I left some weights back in high school and some muscle memory still remained. So I was able to lift the cabinet just a tiny bit and slide it to the floor. Now when the cabinet was on the floor, I removed the secure tape and I took a moment to explore it and admire how awesome this cabinet looks. Love it. Nice. Next stop, I move out all of my media gear, then a current projector stand, and I remove my drop-down projector screen together with the wall brackets, and I bring the cabinet closer to the wall. This cabinet comes with the 2 remote controls. The white bigger one comes with a wall holder and it controls the screen. Pressing the button with the arrow up, we rise up the screen. Arrow down will fall down the screen. And this button here will stop the action and the screen will stay there. The screen opens and closes nice and smooth, and it's pretty fast too, without too much of the noise. When the screen rises up all the way, it almost reaches the ceiling and it covers the huge surface of the wall, which is really cool. The second remote is a much smaller, like a keychain remote, and it controls the sliding platform. With this remote you can open the platform, close it, or stop it at any position you need, so that you can match the projector with the screen much easier. And by clicking on the lock button, it will save that position, so every time when platform slides out, it will stop right there where you save it. Also, keep in mind that this cabinet is a prototype and these remote controls might be different on a final product. Now, let's talk about the projector screen that is inside of this cabinet. This projector screen is a PET crystal ambient light projecting screen, designed for the ultra short throw laser projectors. This projector screen has a gain of 0.8, huge 170 degrees viewing angle, and horizontal microlines pattern in a fabric which blocks up to 96% of light that comes from the ceiling, while it passes the light that comes from the specific angle from the floor. This design greatly improves the picture quality and contrast in a room with ambient light, so that you can watch your favorite content even with the lights on, similar to the TV, only in a much larger scale. I test out this screen in a different light conditions, and I can report that this screen have pretty much the same performance like other projector screen of this type that I tested before, and after a closer inspection, I can say that the quality of the screen fabric is perfect. Without any imperfections, it's nice and flat, which is great. One quick look at the back of the cabinet, there are some interesting stuff. On the left side there is a back interface panel, then we have the cabinet electronic components and the cabinet platform compartment. In terms of interface inputs on the back panel, there are a few AC inputs for different countries, 2 network socket, VGI, HDMI, 3.mm audio jack, RCI and a USB. The last is a switch for the manual control of the cabinet platform. The cabinet electronic components are under this transparent plexiglass, visible and easy accessible. Now I don't have any components layout sheet, but my guess is that on the upper left we have the power supply, which powers up the main motherboard on the down right. This here probably is the cooling fan board, and this over here should be the cabinet motor relay board. Now the cabinet's light platform is pretty large and it can support weight up to 30 kilograms. The front panel of the platform is removable, which is great, and with this size, I think that most majority of the ultra short throw laser projectors will fit just fine. Inside the cabinet there are some integrated cables like AC power cable, 2 HDMI, 3.5mm audio, USB cable, RCI cable and the temperature sensor which controls 4 fans, 2 on each side. Installing the projector was easy. Once I placed the projector on the platform, I plug in the cables on the back and I reinstalled the front panel, which holds in place with a metal pin and the 2 magnets on each side. The projector that I use is the Walla 4K laser projector, and it's a pretty decent size, and there is still plenty of space left on the platform. Since the cabinet sliding platform is synchronized with the screen and over the USB with the projector too, one click on the projector remote activates everything all at once, which is awesome. So basically, once you set up everything, you only need to push one button on the projector remote, which will turn on the projector, activate the screen and the platform in the same time, which is great. For extra connectivity, there is a multimedia panel for external devices, right here on the front side of the cabinet, on which there are 2 USB ports, VGI and HDMI socket, so that you can easily connect your external device when needed. The cabinet also has some internal storage space on both sides and the speaker grill on the round corners. With a push magnetic locks, the door opens and closes with ease. Inside the left compartment, there is plenty of space for a decent size Blu-ray player or the Sony PlayStation, and the speaker. While the right compartment is a bit smaller and it can fit a smaller size Blu-ray player and a smaller size speaker. In my case, I place my satellite speakers in each compartment together with a speaker here next to the projector. While the subwoofer and control pad will be on the right side next to the wall. The only thing that is missing now is another subwoofer here on the left side next to the fireplace. But the Logitech Z5500 speakers is hard to find these days in a good shape. Luckily many years ago I purchased one more set, which I kept in a storage room, and now it's a perfect time to unbox it. If there is still someone who don't know about these famous Z5500 surround speakers, you should definitely check them out. Alright, the left corner is no more empty, and I add some lamps on both sides. Now it looks much better. Nice. Well guys, what can I say? This cabinet really looks fantastic in my opinion, and it have a quite unique design. With a combination of white and black color, and with the round corners, it looks so modern. The paint finish is great, it fits beautifully in the room, and I like it so much. With this huge size projector screen, and the great performance of the ambient light rejecting fabric, the visual experience when watching movies and 4K videos are amazing. The picture quality is sharp, crystal clear, with the vivid colors and good contrast. Having the screen of this size, it really feels like you're really there. I love it. Alright guys, I hope that you liked this video and found it useful. If you're interested in this awesome cabinet for your ultra short throw laser projector, I leave some links in the video description with more information, so feel free to check it. I want to thank you for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.